In this video, I am going to teach you how to create custom intake forms in Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you have two options. You can either log in or sign up. So to sign up, we can click on the Get Started option, either right here into the middle or above right here on the upper right side. So this is recommended if you don't have an account yet. However, if you already have a Squarespace account, you can click onto this login option that we can see right here. So let me head over and then log in since I already have one. Now this is the homepage of your Acuity scheduling. From in there you can see that we have in here a left sidebar, and from there you can see this intake form questions. Head over and click on this. In here you can click onto this new custom form in order to create a custom intake form. Click on this. And in here, you can just name your form. For example, let's name this patient history. And then from in here, you can also add descriptions and you can head over and add some questions. So you can also choose which actual service this will form will actually show up. In my case, let's head over and add in here a yes or no choice. Then input right here the question. So for example, let's put in here, are you pregnant? Then save question and form. Now, this you need to actually do this every question that you have on your actual part, and this is what it looks like. Now, you can also add other types of question like text box, file upload, and address. And for example, for this one, let's choose in here drop down list. Now, input right here your question for this drop down. So, for example, let's input right here the actual option or the actual question that we have. Let's input right here how active are you? And then input right here on the bottom the choices. Once you're done, click onto the save question and then click onto the save form once you're done with everything. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.